Alright, homeschooling. Evan's gonna change my oil.
Don't push.
Here we go. Open the door, pop the trunk, pop the hood.
Trunk, alright. Better not pass this.
You got a latch under here. Right under there. See it? Right there?
Yep.
So move that, lift the hood. And this one's hydraulic, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, come over here. Go over there. See the oil cap?
Is that good?
Oil.
Yeah, okay, nice.
Okay, take it off. No, just set it up here. Okay, go underneath the truck over there. I'll meet you on this side. Get on your back. Up underneath there. Further up that way.
Okay.
You see the oil filter?
I don't know what it looks like, so now.
Right up there.
This?
Yep, that. Now, do you see the drain plug?
No. Ow.
So scoot closer to it.
Hold on.
Your drain plug's gonna be right here. If you look above it, right there, it should say oil.
I feel like this would have been easier from that side.
No, because everything's on your side, so I came over here. Right here's your drain plug.
Okay.
You got a 15 millimeter socket or a wrench.
Yeah.
So put it on there, and you're gonna get oil on you, lefty loosey. So counterclockwise.
Okay.
Okay, if it's loose now, put the wrench down and just undo it with your fingers.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna get oil on you.
Is this how it always is with every car?
Yep. For the most part. And then grab a hold of it, try not to let it drop. But you got your oil drain pan underneath of it, so. Okay, pull it out. Okay, move your hand. Set that down. Take that, clean your hand off, and let that drain.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, it's oil.
Oh.
Hey, get back under here.
Hold on. I don't want to get it on me. This is not enough to clean this off.
It's good enough for now. We'll wash your hands when you get back in.
Oh, God.
Bring that back with you and clean this bolt off.
Clean the bolt off?
Yep. Get back under here. And that's just the oil. Here, take the bolt. And then just wipe off the threads. And now set it on its back where the threads are up in the air. There you go. Now we'll just wait for that to drain out.
Oh, my Lord.
And then once that goes down like it is, hey, get back under here.
I'm moving a little bit away from it.
Now, what do you think's gonna happen when you take the oil filter out?
Is more oil?
Yep.
Should we get more towels?
Nope. You'll be alright. Okay. Can you see?
This?
Yeah, alright. It's dripping now. So take the oil filter, same way, lefty loosey.
Wait,
No,
what's
just
the
your
oil
hand.
filter? This thing up here?
Yep.
Okay, hold on.
Get on your back, slide under here. I've
Oh.
already loosened it, so you should be able to do it.
There's gonna be so much oil from this thing.
Lefty. There you go. And then bring it straight down and turn it upside down and let it drain out in the drain pan. But yeah, you're gonna get oil on you. That's alright.
God. Come on.
Just keep spinning.
Oh my lord. Is it gonna stop? Come out.
Okay, now turn it upside down in the pan. Just set it upside down.
Slippery.
Now take your
Oh
towel and wipe your hand off.
lord.
Go inside and grab some more paper towels and bring them out here.
Why don't you go do that considering you're
Nope.
dry-handed?
I'm videotaping, so go.
You're
Hurry up.
dry-handed.
Your right hand's good. You ain't done nothing with your right hand. Go in there. Look at him. Go. Hurry up. He didn't know it was going to be that much oil. Alright, come back down under here. I want you to wipe it off my frame.
You want me to what now?
Get back under here. What's that oily rag? Bring the rag with you. And then see the oil on the frame there?
Yeah.
Try to clean that up a little.
What does that do?
Just gets it off my frame and up on top. On the top side. There you go.
That's warm. Ow.
It's not that warm. This truck hasn't ran in hours. Alright.
It's still noticeably warm.
Throw it to the side.
Surprised me.
Alright. It's just a little drip now, so take the bolt and put it back in the hole.
Okay. Let me line it up first. Might have to take the wrench to this again.
Yeah, once you tighten it all the way up with your hand, then take the wrench and tighten it down. Alright, now you're unloosening it. Go the other way.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Yeah, righty tighty. Clockwise.
Yep, I was thinking something felt wrong. Oh.
Pull it tight.
I can't do this with my left hand.
That's good. Okay, now, right out there, slide back out.
Yep.
You see the oil in the oil filter?